Welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to visualize text analysis results in the PolyAnalyst web reporting system. Text analysis differs significantly from numerical analysis in terms of the visualization tools and techniques used. Traditional data analysis typically handles structured data, such as numbers, dates, and categorical data, with visualizations mainly used to show trends, relationships, and distributions. In contrast, text analysis involves unstructured data, including words, sentences, or documents. This type of visualization is more complex, aiming to display the main themes, sentiment, keywords, sentences, and paragraphs of the text. Regarding visualization tools, both numerical and text analyses use common chart types such as bar charts, line charts, and pie charts to quantify data frequency, proportions, and trends. A key focus of text analysis is to establish the relationship between the extraction results and the original text, to help users better understand the logic and outcomes of text extraction, and to facilitate the verification of text extraction accuracy. To meet these needs, we need to employ more advanced tools to better display text extraction results in context and their specific positions within the overall text. Our web reporting system offers unique tools specifically designed for presenting text extraction results, including word clouds, link analysis charts, search boxes, data tables with highlights, cards widgets, and statistic widgets. Word clouds are one of the most commonly used charts to display text extraction results. They present text data in an intuitive and artistic manner, quickly attracting the audience's attention. Word clouds use the size of words to express frequency or importance, making high-frequency words immediately apparent. Compared to traditional bar charts, the disadvantage of word clouds is that they provide a visual approximation rather than precise data comparison. However, we can introduce tooltips to display some precise values from the data and add extra chart dimensions through color settings or more advanced settings like vertical words and wrap long text words. If you want to explore complex relationships between a large number of entities, link analysis charts are a good choice. For example, when studying medical request data, different customers may tend to ask certain questions. Compared to traditional charts, link analysis charts help identify patterns and clusters in the data and handle dynamic data well. When there are many nodes or dense links, the chart can become difficult to read and interpret. In such cases, we can manually filter out less relevant clusters using the toolbar provided in the chart by increasing the level of link significance. We can also edit the layout of the link analysis chart, like changing the label style, or to change the layout of the connection style to either vertical or horizontal. The next one we want to introduce is the search box, which enables users to perform real-time searches in the published version of the web report, allowing users to quickly understand the content of the data. As shown in the picture, the search box is displayed at the top of the screen with the original data shown below. Users can filter rows containing search content by entering keywords or phrases in the search box, allowing for quick viewing. The highlighted text in the display area helps users quickly locate the location of various keywords within the text. Another advanced feature of the search box is that it can not only control the data table, but can also help filter the data behind other graphs like the line chart and tag cloud on the fly by typing in NLP functions in the search box. If users simply want to see what text content has been extracted in the data, we can also directly highlight this content in the data table to help users quickly find the locations of extracted keywords and understand the logic of text extraction. As shown on the screenshot, by clicking on certain data, you can see the location of the specifically extracted content in the text display area. When switching to a new data row, the text display content will update accordingly. Clicking on a highlight reveals specific extraction details. Displaying highlights improves users' reading speed, especially when dealing with longer texts and tables, making this feature particularly important. However, sometimes the data table requires a lot of space and carries much additional information. To save space and focus on text content, you can opt for card widgets. They are advantageous because they display only text information along with highlighted extraction content. If additional information needs to be displayed, it can be shown as headers, footers, or on the back of the card widgets. Or you can add pictures to it and manage the layout of it with high flexibility. If the text content is too long and you only want to display a single piece of text content as a reference during data filtering, you can adjust the card widget to show only one content item, and using a statistic widget can achieve a similar effect. As shown in the screenshot, the bar chart on the left can be used as a filter. Selecting a different category in the bar will update the statistic widget automatically. In summary, word clouds help highlight keywords and provide an attractive visual presentation. Link analysis charts effectively show the relationships between entities. Search boxes enable on-the-fly filtering with words or phrases you typed in. If the canvas area permits, and you wish to see other column information associated with the text content, using a data table to display text extraction content is a good choice. Conversely, if your canvas area is limited or you only want to focus on the text column, card widgets are better options. You can also choose a statistic widget when you have to display long text content once at a time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next session.